Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Christmassy kitchen because of the tinsel. Today we're going to make some Scotch eggs because it's not picnic weather, but it's snacking time, and we always have Scotch eggs to snack on. These will be the cheatiest Scotch eggs I can get away with. So I'm going to try a technique for boiling eggs in an air fryer. Well, sorry, an air oven. I haven't got an air fryer. It's an air oven, but you can use your air fryer thingy-bob. But first, let's have a cup of tea. Let's begin. You shall need, most importantly, eggs. So I'm going to make 2 of these. So I'm going to have 2 eggs and 1 for the outcrop side. So for me, that is 3 eggs. You want some pork sausage meat of 150 grams. So I'm not going to use this all because that's too much. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 25 grams of sage, apple and onion stuffing mix. A tablespoon of chopped sage. A tablespoon of chopped thyme. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Of course, if you can get fresh, even better. If not, then never mind. 100 grams of plain flour and 100 grams of breadcrumbs. Because we are cheating, I have just bought a tub of 100 grams of panko breadcrumbs. So these will normally be in the same place you get your stuffing. Let's begin. Preheat your air oven or air fryer to 130 Celsius or 270 Fahrenheit. This is going to burn the kitchen down. So come back when preheated. Now with that preheated, depending on how, there's a train going by, isn't there? Don't crack. Make sure this is spread apart. Do for 10 minutes exactly. Get some ice cold water ready. I have no ice, so I'm going to use these. I'm sure it will be fine. Right, so now we're going to add our ingredients to the bowl. About 150, is that going to be 150? Yep, that's about 150. Now we need to add the herbs. About a teaspoon each. $25 grams of stuffing mix. Although I don't think... should I keep those? Yeah, let's keep those bits in. To mix and combine this. Right, and this is mixed. We want to split it into 2. Right, we now need to get the eggs out. I need more hands. Where did my... Right, I'm going to use that. Plonk straight in there. Plonk straight in there. Right, leave that to cool. Right, so cling film. Going to try and squash this to be as flat as possible. This calls for the world's worst rolling pin. Yes. So we just need to try and get this so we know we have enough room to squash the entire egg, not squash, encase the entire egg in this pork loveliness. The eggs have now cooled completely. The actual ice packs actually worked quite well. So we now need to remove the shell. One of these look like it. Oh no, it's just from. Ooh. from there. So we now need to remove the eggshell, and to be perfectly honest, every single method I've tried always ends up the same. It's just, it takes a bit of patience. And to be honest, whilst I do that, I'm going to put these in the fridge. Oh no, don't come away from there. No, I am splitting the egg there, aren't I? Yes, I am. Oh, and actually, this is going to be a fail, isn't it? Because that's all quite clearly not cooked. Yes, complete and utter failure. Right, okay. Let's try this again. Stop rolling around. I'm going to try that for 12 minutes. So I'm going to get the breadcrumbs and panko ready. For two of them you actually only need 50. I forgot to divide it on the recipe. I'll make sure to do that on the video. I have rolled my eggs over because yeah, just to see if I can cook them more evenly through. Whilst waiting for that, might as well prepare the rest. Come on, crack. Right, so these eggs have come out a lot better. So obviously, just bung it in the air fryer doesn't seem to work. So I've got a feeling the last eggs, it looked like one side was actually cooked and the other wasn't. So for my one, I literally do have to turn them over. I think there are some splits somewhere. So I didn't peel them very well, but I just ended up doing it in the sink under some water. What we are going to do now is put a bit of flour on the eggs. And now we're going to encase this. Right, so this does not look like an egg. So let's try and see if we can squash this into more of an egg shape. Right, now we roll the encased egg in flour. Get flour everywhere. Oh wow, I am getting flour everywhere. Okay, so roll the encased. Oh, okay. So let's do this. Right, and now let's roll. So those are my 2 Scotch eggs. So you now need to preheat your air oven or air fryer or whatever you want to call it to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. So when this is up to temperature, it should take about 12 minutes. Right, we're now ready. I'll reposition them so they're in the middle and try to leave an air gap. Back in 12 minutes. Right, I'm going to turn these over. Got that one a bit cracked on top. Let's try this one. Let's see how we did. Right, so yeah, it's probably my air oven more than anything else. So there is a bit of cracking. It's not golden brown all the way over, but Let's cut in and see how it is in the middle. Ooh, that's good. So that for me is perfect egg. So I cooked this for a further 6 minutes to brown it through. Yeah, so that's slightly runny. That's good. Let's give this a go. Right, so I feel we have snatched victory from failure. So that is so much better than store-bought Scotch eggs. Yep, got the hit of the herbs. The egg's lovely. Sausage meat is nice as well. So that is definitely a winner. Right, give that a go, and again, have a happy Christmas and New Year. Goodbye.